See, this question is from the paper. This is May June 42. Question 14. This worksheet. This is a series of videos of for IGCSE students, and the topic is sequences. Now, what is this sequence A? So they say table shows the four sequences A, B, C, D. Sequence A is 1, first term is 1, second term is 8, third term is 27, fourth term is 64. Fifth term will be what, and the nth term is what? Look at this. This is very interesting sequence. Sequence is 1, 8, 27, 64, and this one is missing. Look, it's very simple, very easy. 1 power 3, 2 power 3, 3 power 3, and 4 power 3, and it's what? 5 power. It's 5 power 3. 5 power 3 is 125. So this comes 125. Now, what's the nth term? Now, to find the nth term of cubic sequence, there are multiple ways, but one of them is very easy. Look, we use arithmetic sequence concept to find the nth term of the cubic sequence. Now, how to do the arithmetic sequence concept? We know the arithmetic sequence nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. A is first term, d is common difference, and n is natural number. Now, look at this sequence. It's 1 power 3, 2 power 3, 4 power 3, and 5 power 3. Get the numbers. Numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and so on. What's their nth term? Difference is what? First get difference. Difference is here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. So common difference is 1. What is A? A is the first term. A is 1. So we got A, we got D. So the sequence nth term is done. Why? How I'm saying this? If you put this in the formula, A plus n minus 1 into D, what is A? A is 1. What is n minus 1? N minus 1 is n minus 1. We can't change that because it's a natural number. That's a formula part. We don't do working here unless we are told to get the fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. So then we replace the value of n by fifth and sixth and so on and so on. Now D is here 1. So I got 1 plus 1 into n is n, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So see, we got n here for nth term. So whenever there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so directly you can say also the nth term is what? Nth term, this is the nth term. Nth term is n. Now what's the power here? The power is cube. So nth term for this sequence will be what? N power 3. Now n power 3 is the result. Now don't accept the answer. Don't say it's correct unless you verify it. Put n here. See, the first term is what? First term, put 1 here. So 1 cube is what? 1. For second term, this is second term. Put 2 here. Second term means second term 2. N is 2. Put 2 here. So I'm checking here. First term, n is equal to 1. So 1 cube is 1. Second term, n equal to 2. So 2 power 3 is what? 8. Third term, so n equals 3. So put 3 here. 3 power 3 is 27, and so on, so on, so on. So you get that thing. That's the nth term. Now come to sequence. This was sequence A. Now sequence B. Sequence B says 5, 11, 17, 23. Now what's the next term? What's this term? Look, is this, see, there are two main sequences with us. One is geometric sequence, one is arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence says the common difference is same, common difference. Look at the first check the difference. First check the difference here. First thing you do in a sequence question is when you get sequence, just get this difference between the two terms, between the consecutive terms. So 11 and 5 difference is what? 6. This difference is what? 6. This difference is what? 6. It means the common difference is what? Common difference is 6. So D is our 6. What is A? A is the first term. A is 5. When we got the common difference, see the common difference is there. So it means arithmetic sequence nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Put the values here. A is what? A is 5. N is n minus 1. N is actual number. D is what? D is 6. So 5 plus 6 n minus 6. So 6 n minus 1 is the nth term. Okay, here we got 23 plus 6. Add here 6. So 23 plus 6 is what? 29. And the nth term is what? 6n minus 1. Don't accept the nth term that it's correct or incorrect. Don't accept that thing unless you check that, you verify it with numbers. First term is 5. Put n is equal to 1 here. When you put n is equal to 1 here, so it's 6 minus 6 into 1 minus 1 is 5. For second term, put n2 here. When you put n2 here, 6 into 2 is 12. 12 minus what? 1 is what? 11. Put 3 here. 6 3 minus 1 is 6 3 is 18. 18 minus 1 is what? 17. It's correct. Now see here. Sequence C. Sequence C is, I'm changing color. No, color is not changing. Why it's changing here? Yes. So I will do this this one. Look, sequence C. Sequence C is 0.25, then 0.5, then 1, then 2, then 4. I can say it's 1 upon 4, it's 1 upon 2, it's 1, it's 2, it's 4. Now I say to you, first get the difference. Difference of this, difference of this, difference of this, difference of this. See difference here, they are fractions, so avoid them. Come here, 2 minus 1 is 1. Difference is 4 minus 2 is 2. So see, difference is different. It's not arithmetic sequence, so leave it. It's not arithmetic sequence. It means it's something else. So we'll be checking other things. It's 2, it's 4. Now second option with us is geometric sequence. What is geometric sequence concept? The second term divided by the first term, third term divided by the second term, fourth term divided by the third term. So 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 4. 1 over 2 by 1 over 4. What's the result? It's 2 here. Now divide 1 by 1 over 2. What's the result? 2 here. Divide 2 by 1. What's the result? 2. Divide by 4 by 2. What's the result? 2. So it means this is called common ratio. Common ratio is here. Common ratio is 2 here. When common ratio is there, when we get common ratio, see ratio is same, common. So it's geometric sequence. Now geometric sequence nth term is what? Geometric sequence nth term is A into R power n minus 1. That's the formula for the nth term of geometric sequence. The first thing you should know for geometric sequence, like verification for geometric sequence, you divide consecutive terms, you get the same result. See, 1 over 2 1 by 1 over 4 we get 2, 1 by 1 over 2 we get 2, 2 by 1 we get 2, 4 by 2 we get 2. So common, this is called common ratio. Its common ratio is 2. Now nth term is what? How to find nth term? We get nth term. Now nth term, this is n minus 1. Yes. So A is with us 1 upon 4. R is with us 2. So n minus 1. Now we can also write this thing 2 power minus 2, because 1 over 4 is 1 upon 2 power 2. This becomes 2 power minus 2. So 2 power minus 2 into a power n minus 1. So this can become 2, sorry, 2. So 2 power n minus 3. That is the nth term. Now see here. Come here, please. They want this. So we got this what? 2 power n minus 3, that thing. Or you can also write here 1 upon 4 into 2 power n minus 1. So both are the answers. Now what to do with D? How to find D? Now D is, you need to think about D. A lot of thinking is required here. Check please arithmetic sequence here, 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 here. It's not arithmetic sequence. Get the difference, this difference, this difference, this difference. It's not arithmetic sequence. It's not giving same difference. Then get the divide this by this, this by this, this by this. Check whether it's geometric or arithmetic. It's neither geometric nor arithmetic. So it means it's something else. Now do one more thing. We teachers always advise students to check first A, B, C, D. Check this, that whether there is something like difference of two things, different multiplication of two things, two sequences. Is it giving us D or not? Like for example, get the difference of these two sequences. 5 minus 0.25 is what? 4.75. 11 minus 0.5 is what? 10.5. 17 minus 1 is what? 16. 23 minus 2 is what? 21. So 29 minus 4 is what? 25. It means when a sequence is not arithmetic sequence, when a sequence is not geometric sequence, then in that case, quickly check the difference of any two sequences there, like AB or AC or BC. Check, see there are three sequences already here. These three sequences are there. So check the difference of two sequences, addition of two sequences, multiplication of two sequences. Like, see, do some work in some calculation there. So when I check the B and C difference, I got 4.75. It means sequence B minus sequence A, sequence C is the result. So see, I did sequence B minus sequence C, I got 25. Now sequence B is what? 6n minus 1. Sequence A is what? 2 power n minus 3. So that's the result. So for D, 6n minus 1 minus 2 power n minus 3, or 6n minus 1 minus, there's another form, this one, you can also write that form, 1 over 4 to power n minus 1. So both answers are correct, and they are, you can give these answers. That's all.